We are less than 15 years on the market, but we are able to produce these type of machines. And we are now also going more and more in the car industry and mold and die industry for them. So this development is only possible really in China.
We're here on the Preminer booth and we're going to find out what it means to combine Western and Eastern values. I've heard that these two, Benjamin and Jack, are really good friends. So I'm going to see if I can drag Benjamin away to get a tour of the booth. Guys, before we get a tour of the booth though, Jack, who are you? What do you do here at Preminer?
I'm Jack Chen. I'm the CEO of the company. I'm taking care of the production in China and also the Asian market.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. Do you mind if I take Benjamin for a little tour of the booth? Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Right, Benjamin, let's have a quick look. So what does it mean to combine Western and Eastern values? And what does that mean for Preminer?
Western and Eastern values, I have to say, it's a very traditional way and thinking also. In Germany, we are good in engineering, we are good in the very basic things, I have to say. In China, the speed of development, we call it also the China speed, is what is so tremendous. The market there, the supply chain, this is unbelievable. And this is, I think, the value this company, Priminer, is making.
Absolutely, and you guys are really good friends. I think that's reflected in the business there. And you mentioned German engineering mixed with China speed. Tell me, how does that reflect itself in a machine like the one we see behind us now?
Yeah. So our GT185X is a machine which is developed usually for mold and die industry. A very huge travel from 1.9 by 1.4 meter, high-speed spindle, 5 axis, simultaneous machining. It's perfectly for mold and die machining.
Yeah, brilliant. And what is it about combining German engineering with China speed that allows you to produce this machine? And what can we see in the machine tool, maybe even behind the covers that we can't see, that reflects that?
Yeah, from the Western world, we use a lot of components which are used in this machine. For example, a Bloom laser system, Heidenhain controller, Heidenhain scales, Perron spindle. So we are really focused on high quality parts, which are usually coming from Western companies, well-known brands. And there in Asia, in our China facility, we combine all this together and making with our Chinese speed and the product life cycle time, we made a very high-end machine which is suitable for both markets.
Yeah, and I guess that development cycle, let's keep having a look at the booth. That development cycle means that really you've been able to produce really high-spec machines producing mold and die parts like this, right?
Yes.
And you've only been going for 13 years.
Yeah, and this is also, this development is only possible in China. This speed, I mean, we are less than 15 years on the market, but we are able to produce these type of machines. And we are now also going more and more in the car industry and mold and die industry for them. So this development is only possible really in China.
Yeah, and that's, I guess, because you can develop and develop and develop. You can try and make these molds. It takes a long time to produce these molds, but if you have that speed of development, you can make a really accurate machine that can produce really good aesthetics on a plastic part. That's kind of the peak of machine building, right?
Correct. And that's why we have also such a good name in Asia, in China. And also we are here on the EMU, like many times also before, to also create this name and to show our brand out also in the Western world. And that's what I do as a CEO here in Priminer, Germany, to have this job to be done quickly, because also the competition never sleeps.
Absolutely. And when you've got such different machine configurations, 5-axis, gantry, head indexer,
Yep.
Here we've got a completely different configuration. We've got a trunnion table with a static head, but still 5-axis. And these are all for completely different kinds of parts. We're seeing an aerospace vein here.
Correct. Here we produce a part for the aerospace industry on a very high-end, to a very high-end accuracy. So we are using torque drives in this machine, high-end spindle, we are using there a 20,000 RPM spindle. We have a Heidenhain TNC 640 controller. So this is a top notch of of industry in components you can use.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the German engineering really shows itself in Blum, in Heidenhain, even in your partners as well, like Goering for cutting tools.
Correct.
And for complex step drills and complex form tools.
Therefore, we are also in this machine, we are using Myonic bearings from Germany. We are using HEMA clamping devices, which are very high reactive and very accurate. So therefore, we really have a focus on high-end components to make finally a high-end machine for a really good price-performance ratio.
Yeah, so partnership with real strong German brands as well.
Yeah.
Let's talk a little bit about your automation options. Now, how does this work with a Preminer machine?
We have several. We have several partners which we develop automation systems together. Here we see for zero clamp automation, which is very good because zero clamp makes the automation, zero clamps make the devices, and zero clamp makes also the zero clamp system inside the machine. So it's a complete chain which we connect then with our machine.
Brilliant. And we can see inside, thank you very much. We can see inside the automation system as well. Makes it much easier to get in.
Yeah.
If you can open that door.
Yeah.
I guess this is something you can just bring up to the machine, set up in X and Y, and then leave it to go.
Correct. And that's a very special type because it's running with a SCARA and it has a very high payload for this price performance ratio. So I'm a guy more than 100 kilo. I can easily make a pull up here if I would be able to do it, but the machine usually can do it, and we have it up to 250 kilogram payload.
And if someone's interested in looking at Preminer, you guys manage most of the sales globally, ex-China, ex-Asia, from Germany, right?
Yeah, so Asia will be handled from the colleagues from China. We do here from Germany with our team a lot work in the North America. We just started. For South America, Brazil, we have a very strong partnership. So also Europe, of course, will be handled via Germany. So therefore, we are really busy handling all this, and that's why we are also rapidly increasing and growing also staff-wise.
Brilliant. So it's a brand to keep in mind, a brand new machine tool builder with mixing German engineering with Chinese development cycles and Chinese technology. Thank you so much, Benjamin.
Rowan, thank you for being here today.